Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and I'm the owner of Page and Budget. I'm a teacher and a budgeter looking to save for sinking funds and invest in the future. If you are keen on watching what you spend, then come along as I allocate cash appropriately and stay tuned for a chit chat get to know me. So we've got a total of $1,502. We're going to start with our wallet and allocating that money. First things first, our wallet is going to get divided by the week. So I'm going to do a total of $60, but $30 per week, $60 for a 2-week paycheck. So let's pull $30 for groceries. And then I'm going to pull $30 for groceries for next week. Next is dining out. Dining out is going to get $80 for this week, and I'm going to pull out next week's as well. Gas is getting $25 each week. Set this to the side for next week. Perfect. It always feels so good to have my wallet stuffed. So I'm excited that today was payday. We've got $5 for this week, and I set $5 aside for next week. Miscellaneous is going to get $10 this week and $10 for next week. Oh, my OCD is kicking in. Okay. That's it for our wallet. Next up, we're going to do bills. By the way, I'm using my 2 new binders for my brand Page and Budget. The black is available on Amazon. I'm still waiting to finish supplying the pink. All of the envelopes are handmade in the pack. So it is a labor of love, but it's very exciting that I get to sell this. And I really wanted to sell on Amazon so that people had 2-day free shipping. Everything was guaranteed. We love our Amazon. I don't know about you, but I love Amazon. So I wanted to have something available that's high quality, because all the budget binders on Amazon are super duper cheap, but they're not high quality. So these are going to have matte envelopes, matte vellum envelopes. They do come with a zipper pouch. Even though it's not listed on the site, it is considered a free gift, and it'll come in every box. So it's a little surprise. And the binder itself is just excellent quality. It's got the gold detailing. It's just so pretty. I'm in love. All right, for our car note, let me set this money aside. This is for next week. Our car note currently has $2 in it, and it's going to be getting $304. Okay, so car note now has a total of 300, 301, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $306. Car insurance already has a good bit of money. We're going to add 50 today. So car insurance now has a total of 1, 200, 250, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 92. So 292 in car insurance. Safe Share is getting a 10. I decided instead of doing small denominations like $6, I would just round up. So all of the small bills in here are now going to be getting 10s and 20s, no more 5s and no more 1s. So Safe Share now has 20, 30, 35, 40, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51. Awesome. Apple Music is getting a 20. So Apple Music now has 2, 4, 60, 70, $80 in it. YouTube Premium is getting 20. So YouTube Premium now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 92. Perfect. These are building up really nicely. And usually I track on my iPad the total in the envelope. I'll go back and do that and add that later while I'm editing. Phone bill is going to get a 20. Amazon is also getting 20. So Amazon now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $107 in Amazon. That is very exciting. Once we get into triple digits, I'm happy. These envelopes are getting really stuffed though. Okay, next is my business binder. The only thing getting stuffed here is inventory, and it is going to be getting 100. So inventory now has 105. I'm working on a new design for a binder with my manufacturer, so I'm excited about that. High priority sinking funds. Let's dive into those. We've got 100 going into healthcare. So healthcare now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. Pets is, we have a vet visit coming up soon, so I'm stuffing this as much as possible. Pets is getting $358. $358. Yep. And that's all it has. And then vacation is getting 200. And that'll be all it has. Hope you enjoyed this video. At the end of the video, I'd like to just do a quick chit chat, get to know me. We are excited. The family is going to be going on a mini vacation for 3 days in Mississippi. It's something we do every single summer, and I'm so excited. We're just going to hang out as a family. We're going to a casino that has a really nice river, lazy river, and swimming pool. So that's going to be really nice. We're going to go to a big arcade out there, and we have so much fun every time, and it's so nice to just pause from the rest of the world and just be with family. So I'm very excited about that. In my last video, I also talked about saving a little bit of money to meet up with one of my old students and her baby. We ended up going to City Putt instead of the aquarium, and we played putt-putt. And her little girl played putt-putt for the first time. She's 4 years old, and it was the cutest thing. It was hot as heck, but it was so much fun. It was so nice. And so I just feel blessed to have done all of those things. And I love my life. As far as the business is concerned, I don't really talk about my business too much because it's not up and running just yet. But I'm so excited to start having high quality budget binders available on Amazon. 2-day free shipping, and their selection on Amazon is all really cheap. You can get a budget binder for $5 or $10, but they are not high quality, and they don't have the matte envelopes, the matte vellum envelopes. They're not sturdy. They don't have cute trackers. They don't have good options for the stickers. So I'm just so excited to get that ball rolling. It's going to be really nice. And if you're with me on this journey, I appreciate you so much. Leave a plant emoji down in the comments just so I know you made it to the end of the video, and show that little bit of appreciation by liking the video. If you haven't, subscribe and just stick with me. We're on this journey together. When I first started cash stuffing, it unlocked a whole new world for me. I used to fear money. I used to never want to talk about money with anyone. And now I'm posting YouTube videos about it. So it's all very exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, a wonderful month, and I hope you have the best year ever. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.